Hi, this is Mike from Action Home Services, and right now we're going to talk about what a vinyl pool is. Vinyl pool or a vinyl liner pool, the most popular choice in the Toronto and GTA backyards, anywhere in Oakville, Mississauga, Burlington, Richmond Hill, Vaughan, or anywhere in the GTA area. So vinyl pool is steel panels, as you can see here, that are backfilled with concrete collars for the stability. As you can see, it also has a deep end for the diving, and it has a full length step. So the steel panels is what shapes the vinyl pool, and of course on top of it we would put a vinyl liner. So liner is a soft material for your pool. So pros of the vinyl pool is lower upfront cost. So this is a very affordable options for the homeowners if they want to have a full experience of a pool at their backyard. Another pro is you can have almost any size, shape or form of the vinyl pool, and this is very flexible in terms of the design. The cons would be is you actually have to replace the liner every 10 years or so. And another con is vinyl pools are not ideal if you want to have a very deep end, because otherwise you'll have to make your pool a little bit bigger, and sometimes this is not necessary, but it all can be engineered, and our company can assist you with all the questions you may have. So if you're thinking about getting a vinyl pool anywhere in the GTA area, whether it's Toronto, Vaughan or Richmond Hill, and you're looking for a vinyl pool installers, professionals or renovators, call Action Home Services and we will build a vinyl pool for you.